We are now ready to make some products, and this is what we call production runs. Some of you may use the term batching or creating a batch. Production runs is what we are using inside of the Makers Manager software. So, regardless of where you are inside of the software, I'm going to just start here at my dashboard. I am now going to go down to production, and this is when we are making our stuff. So, we're going to start a new run. This is going to be, you can put a name in here or it can just auto generate, which is going to have the date in there, which makes it really easy. What kind of run are we doing? Are we doing this as an inventory or an order? If you're making things just like on the fly, like you have to make something, but you don't want it to go into inventory when it's done because it's going out the door to a customer, you could do it as a order instead of inventory. So inventory is going to be, it's going to put it into your stock. And it's going to show that you have that available, and then order as if it's going to be going out the door. And you can schedule ahead. So this is planned or in progress. If you're going to start doing it right now, you totally can do that. It skips the step of having to actually start it. You can do in progress there. Production date. We can say, hey, you know what? I'm going to actually do this tomorrow. And it is due by, let's say, Friday. And so that way you would have alerts for both of those. You'd have an alert of when the production date arrives, and you'll have an alert for when it is due. So the items to produce, we're going to grab these from our products. Select a product. Let's do a lemon pound cake candle. I am going to make 6 of those. All right. And let's make another one. Let's do a moonflower candle. I'm going to make 10 of those. All right. Now, you're going to see on here, wait a minute, this is, you're getting some alerts here. This is going to show you that you are low on something. So I'm going to create this run so that I'll be able to then see, hey, what is it that I am short on? So put all the products in here that you want to create. Let me do some lavender candles. I'm going to do, let's say I'm going to do, let's do 6 of those as well. All right. So we are short on 2 items, and so it's going to tell us what those are here in just a second. I'm going to create the run of what we want. Here we go. 2 materials are short. The plan requires more stock than you currently have available. Choose how you would like to continue. So to make what I have set up in this production run, it requires me to have 22 vessels. So 22 lids and 22 vessels here. It shows you what's required and it shows you what's actually available. So it shows you how short we are. And then we can adjust. Okay, so I could go back and adjust this to where I'm not making more than I have, or I can go ahead and proceed with it and it will show you what the modifications that you need to make are. So let's just, for sake of this going smooth, I am going to, let's do 5 or 6 of that one, and let's just not do moonflower today. And we'll do 6 of the 6 and 6 on that. So all materials are available. It shows. It also shows you how much it's going to cost to make all of these. It is showing what my total cost to make these 12 candles is of $64.58. Just letting you know how much in your materials you're spending to create that. Just something to have top of mind. So I'm going to create this run. All right, and here we go. We have this production run here that is planned. I'm going to click into it now because I am ready to start making it. And we can start our production here. All right, that means we have started. We are ready to go now. And then when we have made this actual product, when we have produced it, we will be able to record the batch. So I'm going to go ahead and click on record batch. And here it tells me what I should have to make, which is 6 of them. Shows me everything I need to make them. So now that I am done, I'm going to update that to 6 so that I can record it. If you ran out of something, you thought you had 6 vessels, but you only had 5, so you're going to record the true amount here. So if you can't do all of them, it's okay. It will save the remaining one as an outstanding item. So I'm going to go ahead and put in here that I'm making 6. Because what will happen a lot of times, we'll make, say, 60 or 72 candles at a time, and we might run out of time in the day. So I'll be able to know exactly where to pick up from. So I just recorded that batch there, and I'm going to now record this batch of my lavender candle here as well. Perfect. Those are all made. I am now going to mark this as complete. So all of these items are now out of my inventory as far as the materials go there. And we're all set. And it shows that we are done there. Now we can take a look at some of the dashboards. Since I just created 2 of those products that were low and it is now above the threshold, now it only shows that I have 1 product that is low. So that is how you do a production run. Very simple to do here, and it's going to track everything for you. You can also then sort based on if they were completed, if they were in progress, if they were planned. You can see all of that right here. You can also use the search function to look for specific items that you made. If you don't recall the last time you made a item, you could do that here by searching up here in the search bar. Hopefully this helps.